are going to love the 2014 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: CD changer, traction control, anti-lock braking system, 4-wheel drive, air conditioning, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.